Looking for a wellness retreat that won't break the bank? Well, you've landed in the right spot. Today we're exploring affordable wellness retreats that give you the most bang for your buck. Wellness retreats are essential to rejuvenate the mind, body, and soul. The retreats we're about to share have been handpicked for their affordability, top-notch services, and glowing customer reviews. They prove that you don't need to empty your savings to find your zen. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of affordable wellness retreats. First on our list is the Holistic Sanctuary, known for its unique healing methods. This retreat spot combines traditional wellness practices with a modern touch to provide a truly unique experience. With a focus on natural healing, the Holistic Sanctuary offers a variety of organic food options that cater to all dietary needs. Every meal served is not only nutritious but also delicious, aimed at nourishing the body from the inside out. But the wellness journey doesn't stop at food. The Holistic Sanctuary also provides yoga and meditation classes for all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner, there's a class for you. These classes emphasize the importance of mental wellness and aim to bring peace and tranquility to your mind and body. The best part? All of this comes at an affordable price, making it a fantastic option for budget travelers. The Holistic Sanctuary offers an affordable, holistic approach to wellness that is worth checking out. Next up is the Healing Cottage, a retreat that offers a variety of wellness services. This quaint sanctuary is a gem hidden amongst nature, providing a haven for those in search of tranquility. The Healing Cottage is renowned for its holistic treatments, each designed to rejuvenate the body, mind, and spirit. Let's delve into some of the services they offer. The Healing Cottage is particularly famous for its therapeutic massages. These massages are meticulously tailored to each individual, targeting specific points of tension to deliver the utmost relaxation. But that's not all. They also offer detox programs, designed to cleanse the body from the inside out. These programs provide a fresh start for your system, flushing out toxins and paving the way for improved health. For those seeking a more profound experience, spiritual healing sessions are available. These sessions aim to harmonize your energy, promoting inner peace and emotional balance. The best part? The Healing Cottage doesn't break the bank. With numerous positive reviews praising its affordability without compromising on quality, the Healing Cottage provides a wide range of services at a budget-friendly price. Third on our list is the Wellness Retreat Center, a retreat that focuses on mental and physical health. This haven of rejuvenation and tranquility offers a wide array of programs designed to promote wellness and balance. Their fitness classes are varied, ranging from the calming rhythm of yoga to the invigorating pace of high-intensity interval training. Moreover, the Wellness Retreat Center believes in the power of nourishment. They host nutrition workshops that empower attendees with the knowledge to make healthful food choices. You'll learn to craft delicious meals that fuel your body and mind. But wellness isn't just about the physical. The center also provides therapy sessions that cater to mental health. These sessions, led by experienced professionals, offer strategies for managing stress, improving mental resilience, and fostering positive relationships. The best part? All these high-quality services are offered at prices that won't break the bank. The Wellness Retreat Center offers a comprehensive approach to wellness at an affordable price. So there you have it, 3 affordable wellness retreats that won't break the bank. The Holistic Sanctuary offers a comprehensive approach to wellness, while the Healing Cottage provides an intimate, rustic escape. The Wellness Retreat Center, on the other hand, blends modern amenities with serene landscapes. All these places emphasize the importance of wellness and self-care, proving that it doesn't have to be a luxury. Remember, wellness doesn't have to be expensive. With these affordable retreats, you can rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul without breaking the bank.